Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unbagging, or I guess you could call it an unboxing, sort of, because I use those words interchangeably oftentimes. But this is part of the Bags I Bought Before YouTube series, where I unbag or unbox bags that I got before my YouTube channel ever began. And why do I do this? I do this because I like to spend extra time on items when I reveal them to you. And that includes showing everything about it that I can think of and trying them on and showing the different ways they can be worn. And in the Bags I Bought Before YouTube series, I also get to share with you my personal experience with the bag over quite some time period, as I just am finishing my second year on YouTube. So the bag I got before YouTube that I'm showing you today is a Saint Laurent handbag. And this is one of my absolute favorite styles. In fact, one of these was featured on my video yesterday, which I will link down in the description box if you didn't get a chance to catch it. But I couldn't be more excited to share some extra details on this particular beauty here today in just a minute. First though, I want to talk to you about my lip product that I'm wearing today. I thought this was really too bright for me, so I'm not 100% sure on it, but it is one of the Estee Lauder lipsticks that I got as part of the gift set, and it's a limited edition color, and it is in Scarlet Red. I may have that upside down. In case I do, I'm going to put it back the other direction, but I am kind of thinking it might look good if I'm wearing a red top like I am today. And so that is my lipstick color of the day. It's way out of my comfort zone to wear a lip product that is this bold, but you'll have to let me know what you think. Next, I promised some of you that I would try out the mascara that was included in the Lancome gift set that I unboxed and revealed here on my channel. I'll link that video down below where I show both the Lancome and the Estee Lauder holiday gift sets. But this is the Idol mascara by Lancome, and I like all Lancome mascaras that I've tried thus far, except for the waterproof ones. I get the least amount of drop down of little black bits under my eyes with Lancome than with any other brand that I've tried. The only other one that seems to work pretty well for me is I Can't Believe They're Real mascara. I think it's by Benefit Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. But this particular one, I think, may just be Lancome's best mascara, at least for me, because I tend to go to sleep with my makeup on. I know that's terrible, but when I wake up in the morning, I don't have black eyes with this one. So if that doesn't say something about the holding power of the Idol mascara, I don't know what does. I'm gonna be running around today with my kids. They both have eye doctor appointments. So I'm carrying this Speedy B20 today, and I have paired it with my Croisette strap. I love this little bag. It's so easy to pack. You don't have to worry about weather, at least with this print. And I love it so much that I also bought it in the monogram. They're just such cute little bags. I like to pair them with a leather strap instead of the webbed or guitar strap they come with, but I do love that strap with my Capucines BB in the Gallet color. It looks fabulous with that bag. So waste not, want not. All I have to do is a little strap switching action to get the perfect combo for me. And so now, what you've all been waiting for, the grand reveal of one of the bags I bought before YouTube. And that would be the Saint Laurent Small Loulou in the dark beige color, which is not so aptly named because this isn't dark at all. I don't know why they call this dark beige. I would call this like sand or dune or even perhaps light beige, but Saint Laurent has chosen to call this dark beige. I do also have the Lou camera bag in a taupey sort of shade, and that would be this bag. I think this is closer to a dark beige color palette than this one. But alas, this is called Dusty Gray. So Saint Laurent, if you want to consult me about your color name selection, please just ring me up. I would be more than happy to help. So before I started my YouTube channel, I did have a medium Loulou, same style, bigger size in the black with the gold hardware. And I showed in my video yesterday the small Loulou that I recently acquired in the black with the gold hardware. I loved the black with the gold hardware in the medium size, but it was just too big for me. And so I sold it. And the one that I got instead eventually was the small size. And I absolutely love that bag. That is the perfect Chanel 19 substitute for me that actually works better than the Chanel 19 would, in my opinion, at least for me. And I'll go ahead and link that video I keep referring to down below as well, in addition to the video where I speak about the holiday gift sets. So let's take an up close and personal look at the Saint Laurent small Loulou in dark beige. The hardware is that aged bronze, but honestly, I think it's more of like an aged gold type finish. It has what some people might call a chevron detail, but if you look at it, it is actually a Y. And that is because of Yves Saint Laurent. So the Y is featured very prominently on the back side, and that's, I believe, why they probably do not put a pocket on the back side, because of this design element. A lot of people feel like the small Loulou is missing a back pocket, and perhaps it is, but I do love that they have the Y on the back, and this bag is really easy to get in and out of, so it doesn't really bother me that it does not have a back pocket. The base of this bag doesn't have any quilting, and that's really nice because I do store my bags sitting upright on my closet shelves, and if it did have quilting on the bottom, then you might have to do a whole rotation where you store it one way and the other way and the other way to prevent the bottom from getting smashed. But since it is flat, that's perfect. You can just set it like so, and she can be beautiful and proud on the shelf for me to look at when I come into my closet. A lot of people feel like the magnet on these bags is too strong. I think the best way to open them is to slide your finger on both sides. The magnet on this one is just perfect. It's chef kiss, just right. But some of them you really have to yank to get into, and so I recommend a finger on both sides of the magnet, a thumb on the emblem, and then just pull up gently instead of tugging like on this part or on this part. I think you're going to see a lot more wear and tear on your bag if you do that. So let's go ahead and pull out the straps. The straps have 2 breaks in them, so you can wear this bag crossbody. You can also wear it on the shoulder, and depending on whether or not you pull up the center or the outside chain, it does affect the crossbody length. So if you're a shorter gal, there is a slightly shorter option for you. Inside of this bag, I do have base shapers by M Boutique Australia. I love Zumani inserts, but I don't feel like I need them for this particular style because it does have so much organization on the inside all on its own. It's got this center pocket which zips. It has a back pocket here which I have a silica packet in to keep it from being too moist. And then it has the main 2 compartments, of which I think that the front one may be a little bigger. I do love having the pocket here and the pocket there. I don't find that I have to downsize to get into this bag at all. I can carry all of my regular SLGs or small leather goods inside, and so I don't need the pockets of an organizer to put my stacks of credit cards in and eliminate a card holder. The bag is also pretty lightweight. I think I should weigh it real quick for you. Hang on. With the base shapers inside, which weigh almost nothing, it is 1 pound, 9.5 ounces. Now, compare and contrast that to my twist bag, which is nearly 3 pounds. This is my latest beauty, and this outweighs the small Loulou by a little more than 1 pound. And I have to tell you, that makes a huge difference. My arm's already getting a little bit tired holding this beautiful twist up. I love it, but I do not think I will add any more twist handbags, unlike the small Loulou. I love the small Loulou so much that after I got my first one in the earth gray color, that would be this one, another bag I featured in the bags I got before YouTube series. After I got this one, I proceeded to purchase 3 additional small Loulous because I love them that much. Now, I do have other bags in my collection where I have 4 of the same bag, and that includes almost all, if not all, Saint Laurent handbags. I have the small Loulou in 4 different colors. I also have the small Loulou puffer in 4 different colors. And I have the medium collage bag by Saint Laurent in 4 different colors. The only other 2 styles that I have currently in my collection where I have 4 different colors are the Longchamp Le Pliage Extra Small Top Handle Tote. I have that in 4 colors, as well as the Coach Soft Pebble Camera Bag. So I have mostly Saint Laurent bags when you look at the bags I have the same style in multiple colors. So let's get back to this little cutie. I don't think I'm going to do a what's in my bag. I've done that with this style several times, but I will try it on real quick for you because I actually put real pants on today. So I want to show those to you as well. I have been on a denim buying frenzy, and these are high-rise straight leg jeans by Risen, and I got them from Salt Tree Clothing, and I am loving Salt Tree because their prices on Risen denim are so good. With a welcome discount code, you can get a discount, and I think I paid around $43 each for several different pairs of denim. And look who I have to visit me. I've got a little Chew Bear. That's my dog, Chewy. I've got Maisie in here too, but she's off in the distance over there. So my favorite way to carry this bag is on the shoulder, like so. It's super comfortable. I love the leather brakes up at the top. You can get them right on your shoulder when it's on the side of your body. Now, when I did talk about the Chanel 19 in yesterday's video, I mentioned that the chain, if you wanted to wear it crossbody in the front, the chain would actually be over the bony parts of your collarbone. And this is the same, but this chain is flat and it's relatively comfortable for that. If you carry it on your side, then you do have more of the leather brake over the top of your shoulder. And I tend to just wear it like this when I wear it crossbody, but it's not over a long time period. It's more like if I'm at the grocery store and I want to sling it on, usually kind of off to the back so it doesn't like fly forward and hit my shopping cart. But again, then I have only chain on my shoulder. That said, it's pretty comfortable because of the fact that the chain is very flat. So those are the 2 ways that I wear this bag. Again, it's primarily a shoulder bag for me, but I do find the fact that it does go crossbody and that the chain is so flat and it doesn't get twisted up on me either, which is the sign of a very good quality chain. According to Paul from Next Fashion, he educated me a bit about good quality chains. They really shouldn't twist very much at all, and this is twisted because of the way I have it gathered up in my hand. But when I'm wearing it, I don't have to untwist these chains hardly ever. Like, I don't even remember thinking about doing that. So I have to say, I still love these bags. The latest one I added was the one in Sea Turquoise, which is a gorgeous shade of blue-green. And it's not quite as easy to wear as this one or the gray or the black, but it is a wonderful addition to the color palette of the handbags in my closet. As you all know, I do love collecting handbags, and picking up bags I love in multiple colors is something I tend to do. I have a new rule where I'm trying to not get more than 4 of any particular style, and so far I've held to that for months. And looking at my collection now, I just don't see that I'll be adding a whole lot more or selling a whole lot more because I am pretty darn content. So we will see what 2024 holds. Never say never. I always seem to be able to find something when I start shopping, but I'm pretty happy with my collection. So if you all have any video requests, please leave them down in the comments section. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You could DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.